Hello, Kaiser. Yeah. What can you say about Ate Sheila? You're going home now.
I just want to say goodbye, Auntie Sheila, and I will miss you a lot. Even even though we're aunties, we're still best friends.
Um, we celebrate Sheila's 18th birthday.
We celebrated Sheila's 18th birthday.
Wait, last day we celebrate Ate Sheila's birthday.
Last day we celebrated.
I am just telling you that we celebrate Ate Sheila's birthday and unfortunately he don't come. Hey, what can you say? That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Look at the camera.
Bye.
Okay, again.
Hello. Hello, Aunt. Hello, Kaiser. Oh, this is so